Balloon plants, also known as Asclepias physocarpa or Gomphocarpus physocarpus, are unique and attractive flowering plants that produce interesting balloon-like seed pods. They are relatively easy to grow, and here are the steps to cultivate them. Choose the right location. Balloon plants thrive in full sun, so select a location in your garden that receives at least 6-8 hours of direct sunlight each day. Prepare the soil. These plants prefer well-drained soil with good organic content. You can improve soil drainage by adding organic matter like compost or well-rotted manure to the planting area. Sow seeds. Balloon plants can be grown from seeds. You can start the seeds indoors 6-8 weeks before the last expected frost date in your area, or sow them directly in the garden after the danger of frost has passed. Plant the seeds about 1/4 inch deep in the soil, and space them at least 12-18 inches apart to allow for their mature size. Watering. Keep the soil consistently moist, especially during the germination period. Once the plants are established, they are somewhat drought-tolerant and can withstand some dry periods, but regular watering is still essential for healthy growth. Mulch. Applying a layer of organic mulch around the base of the plants can help retain moisture, regulate soil temperature, and suppress weeds. Fertilize. Balloon plants generally do not require a lot of fertilizer. You can incorporate a balanced, slow-release fertilizer into the soil before planting or use a diluted liquid fertilizer during the growing season. Support. Balloon plants can become top-heavy as they grow and produce their unique seed pods. Providing support for the plants with stakes or cages can prevent them from flopping over. Pruning. You can deadhead spent flowers more blooming. Additionally, trimming the plants back by about 1/3 in midsummer can help promote bushier growth and reduce legginess. Pest and disease control. Balloon plants are relatively resistant to pests and diseases, but keep an eye out for aphids or milkweed bugs, which can occasionally infest them. You can remove pests by spraying them off with water or using insecticidal soap if necessary. Harvesting seed pods. One of the unique features of balloon plants is their distinctive seed pods. Allow some of the pods to mature on the plant until they turn brown and feel dry. Harvest these pods before they split open, as this will help you collect the seeds for future planting. Remember that balloon plants are part of the milkweed family and are beneficial for pollinators like monarch butterflies. By growing these plants, you can contribute to the conservation of pollinators and add a fascinating and visually appealing element to your garden.